Welcome back. We're going to gauge a little bit what the upcoming election could mean for the consumer, also for defense and green energy in today's earnings exchange. For the action, the story, and the trade on Visa, General Dynamics, and Enphase, we're joined by Victoria Green, G-Squared Private Wealth founding partner and a CIO and a CNBC contributor. Victoria, it's great to see you. So we have a wide range of companies. And after what happened with UPS today, we're brave. Anything could. And NXP, I mean, some big movers. Okay, Visa is tomorrow. The shares are flat amid a murky consumer picture. Got Fed rates, spending, analysts gaming out how swipe fee litigation and late fee regulation could fare under different administrations. What do you do with this stock?
So Visa is one I still like here, Kelly, because I think there's a lot of upside to this stock, especially on the heels of what Amex had to say about consumer spending. The consumer might not be dead. And we're expecting healthy growth in revenue, probably up 10%, almost $9 billion. We're expecting payment volumes to be good, up 8%, more internationally, U.S. up only about 5%. But for us, we look overall that Visa has a lot of upside still. The stock has suffered here in Q2. We look at this earnings season as a way of a catalyst for them to go back to that 280, 290 area. Yes, there is some litigation overhang. We do anticipate management's going to have to deal with that in the commentary. You know, obviously their big settlement, antitrust, $30 billion with MasterCard, kind of got invalidated and it's back to square one. It's good to point out that's been going on for 19 years. Wow. So if they have to go back to the drawing board, it might be another 19 before it finally gets settled. All
right. So you see 280, maybe 290 from 264 where it is currently. And we'll see what earnings do to help or hinder that. And next up is General Dynamics, which is on pace for its 9th positive month in 10. BTIG saying it benefits most from increased presence in the Indo-Pacific region because of its naval contracts, and that new Gulfstream private jets could be a secular benefit. Do you like this one?
I absolutely do. I love General Dynamics because it's not just about defense spending. It has a huge aerospace with the G700 just getting FAA clearance last quarter. We expect them probably to have delivered about 40 airplanes last quarter, maybe 38, maybe a little light on delivery. But the G700 looks to be a very high margin, very high volume plane for them. But it's not just about that. Like you pointed out, submarines, these contracts are long lasting. If you read through their earnings, they're talking about the subs they're building now. They have to continue to operate in 2080. These things take a while to build. They have lots of contracts for these, and they continue to win more and more contracts. But also point out combat systems, one of their highest margin segments, and it looks to continue to grow and be one of their fastest growing segments. That's the Abrams tank, their other combat vehicle, and its munitions. There is so many war and strife going on right now. It's estimated that Ukraine is using about 6,000 to 8,000 rounds a day. Wow. Between Ukraine, the conflict in the Middle East, and restocking the United States. We see that as a huge catalyst for earnings growth there. I think General Dynamics can finally get above 300, move higher.
No, I have a friend of mine works in kind of ammunition making and has talked about just how much they're strapped. Quickly on Enphase, it's been a tough year. Do you think it's worth picking up here?
No, I don't think the bottom's in on residential solar. Everybody's like, oh, solar's going to get this big bump up from rate cuts, but they're going to be slow and steady rate cut. How much is 50 basis points going to help the consumer and help solar companies? I just don't see the bottom in on residential. This stock is bouncing around 100 to 120. I don't buy it. I think it could push lower because they keep saying, oh, residential solar, it's going to come back second half. And I don't see the demand being there necessarily. So for this one, sitting it out on the sidelines, and I'm not expecting, I'm sure they're going to have rosy projections for second half of this year. I just don't think it's going to come to fruition.
Man, Danielle Shea, she was not pleased with them. She was one of those residential installations. She was like, never again. So I take that as a data point. Victoria, thanks for your time today. Really appreciate it.